Traders, we're looking at gold on a monthly time frame. See some of these retraces. I'll just pull it from this high to the low here. Just be careful at the moment. I mean, it's fairly overextended. If we pull a Fibonacci from swing low to swing high, that could be something to consider. So let's just have a look at this on the lower time frame. So I'm just going to mark up, well, we've got this previous high here. Mark up some levels and then we'll go down the time frame and we'll get a bit closer to it. This is a point of interest, and then the nearest port of call, well, on the monthly, there's this monthly bullish order block right here. We'll go down to the weekly, see what we can find. Okay, well, I would mark that up as a point of interest, this weekly low. Okay, this high, this weekly low. And again, if you pull a Fibonacci from swing low to swing high, a pullback down into these levels here wouldn't be out of the question. And then I'd be looking for a buy opportunity. Right, so that's one idea on the weekly time frame. I'd be inclined to look for a long position down around the 50 to 618 Fibonacci. Stop, well, where do you want to go with that? Just set it up under this candle here. You don't want to make it too wide. If it breaks this weekly low, then, you know, I mean, it's null and void, but that'd be target one. That's a 2.3R result. So that's a weekly idea. Whether that fills or not, that's the question. Now, we have a look at this on the daily, see what kind of an idea we can come up with on this time frame. So on this time frame we have, the daily and the weekly would be pretty similar ideas in my opinion. In fact, I think this stop might be a little tight. I'm inclined to set it up under here and go for a wider, you know, there's your 2R. There's an entry point. And we've got this balance area range low that I've set the stop at. You know, I mean a 2R, well, there's 1.5R to this high if you want to work this swing, this price swing. Retrace down to the 50, yeah, don't underestimate how far this thing can move. Look at these retraces. I mean, we'll just take that high to low, high to low, high to low. So a relatively measured move, even if we cut it short a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So just be careful, guys. I mean, yeah, if you're buying up here, you run the risk of getting stopped out. I mean, it's been on a tear, but you got to be a little bit careful. Keep an eye on the dollar, the US dollar. Look, we're seeing a bit of weakness coming into this. You know, whether it picks up here and travels north remains to be seen, or whether it pulls back, you know, and we go for a deeper retrace. You know what? I mean, personally, I'm not really involved. I don't want to get involved at this level here, and I don't want to counter trend trade it. So my take on this is to sit out and wait for the possibility of a retrace down into this level here. And if that's the case, then I would go with that. Yeah, I mean, go for a lower time frame, you know, a bullish buy here if you want to, with a stop on your 4-hour time frame, and you target up here, but understand the risk. I'm always looking at price swings, swing low to swing high. You know, this, like, I mean, there's a balance area here with these red candles. And what we have here on the daily, we've got this imbalance, you know. So my question is, you know, does it trade back through looking to rebalance? Yeah, I mean, sometimes these daily thin candles don't get filled, and I mean, it could be months later. So I think a 4-hour imbalance is more likely to be look to be filled than a daily at this point. So if we look at the nearest, you know, thin candle here, well, we've got, let's just have a look at this balance area here. Imbalance, this one, I'd be looking for a buy exactly around, you know, this imbalance. If it trades down in here, that's my idea, guys. So a buy, long position, I'd go around the 50. So the other reason for my entry point at the 50%, like, I mean, look, let's just do this. Let's pull it from this. That's a swing low here. Okay, there's balance area, this swing low, the swing high. Let's do that. That's a price swing. You want to have a look at these price swings. Okay, so we've got swing low, swing high. Well, swing low, swing high. This price swing here, low to high, to pull back down into the 50 to 618. This imbalance on the 4H, right? So there's an idea on the higher time frame if you want to take it. There's an idea on the daily, something like that. That makes sense. And then aim for these highs here for a target. And we got a 3.2R idea. So that's my take on gold at the moment. I would rather see it pull back. I'd love to hear your comments. Click my link tree below and find out what we've got going. We've got our Tradingview indicators, and all sorts of things. Free 30-day trial, VIP, everything. All right, guys, with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.